When a woman interacts with you in these 10 ways, it means she can't help herself. In the world of love, women's minds are always delicate and complex. When they have strong feelings for someone, their behavior often reveals endless hints and signals. If you find that she uses some special ways of interaction, it may mean that her feelings for you have exceeded the boundaries of ordinary friends. Next, let's explore the 10 situations in which a woman interacts with you, which means that she can't help but feel for you, and what are the hints of emotional heating up? These signals not only make men feel moved, but also awaken the hidden emotional sparks between each other. 1. Frequent proactive contact. When a woman starts to frequently take the initiative to send you messages, call you, or leave messages on social media, it is not just for chatting. She hopes to get closer to each other in this way, showing that you occupy an important position in her heart, want to share the bits and pieces of life, and even expect to find emotional resonance in you. 2. Sustained physical contact. Physical contact is an important form of emotional communication. If she frequently approaches you when talking to you, or takes the opportunity to touch your arm, this intimate behavior may mean that she has a special liking for you, and her feelings for you are not just superficial, but she hopes to get to know you more deeply. 3. Special attention and care. If she shows a keen interest in the details of your life, such as reminding you to pay attention to your diet and asking about your mood changes, this is not only out of concern, but also a careful maintenance of your relationship. When a woman is willing to devote herself to your life, her emotions have long surpassed the boundaries of ordinary friends. 4. Share personal feelings. Once she starts to confide her troubles to you and share her deepest emotions, it means that she has begun to trust you. In emotional communication, sharing personal experiences and emotions is the key to deepening the connection between each other, which means that she is willing to let you walk into her inner world and share her happiness and pain. 5. Always with you. When she is always willing to be by your side when you need her, whether it is the trivialities of life or the troubles at work, she is willing to accompany you. Such an action is not just a simple companionship, but an expression of her attention and care for your feelings through actions. 6. Use nicknames. When she starts calling you a special nickname, it is likely a sign of a warming relationship. Nicknames usually carry a sense of intimacy, which means that she is closer to you and has more trust in you, indicating that she no longer regards you as an ordinary friend, but a possible emotional object. 7. Create more opportunities for solitude. If she is always looking for opportunities to be alone with you, whether it is to meet you for dinner or find excuses to be apart from you when attending an event, this tendency shows that she wants to develop your relationship. In her opinion, being alone with you is the best way to deepen your relationship. 8. Listen to you carefully. When a woman is talking to someone she likes, she will usually be very focused and listen carefully to every word you say. This is not only out of interest in you, but also a reflection of her consideration for you, which shows that she cares about your thoughts and feelings. 9. Showing jealousy. When she shows a little jealousy when other people of the opposite sex interact with you, it is often a reflection of her deep affection for you. Jealousy is not only a crisis of affection, but also a sign that she wants to protect you and does not want to lose you. 10. Willing to pay for you. If she is willing to invest her time and energy in you, care about your needs, and even make some sacrifices, then she is already showing her affection through her actions. Selfless giving is the best proof of love. In summary, what a woman shows is not only her concern for you, but also her desire and expectation for love in various ways. Every detail contains her inner secrets, giving you a key to open her heart. Being sensitive to every subtle interactive signal may further heat up your relationship and bring you more good times. No matter how your future evolves, I hope everyone can find their own love and happiness in this emotional journey. Best wishes, may love always be with you and happiness always be there.